No shit. Are you riding it like a bucking bull? Are you at a rodeo now, Chastity?
Hell yeah. Give me a rush.
Oh my god.
Woo! 8 seconds, baby. Shit.
She just fell out of the chair.
Was that 8 seconds?
Yes.
Damn.
Now she can't get up. Feeling better now? Still gonna check. I was asking if she feels better.
Woo! Wow.
Don't hit my TV.
I'm not. Almost did. You still recording?
Mm-hmm.
The chair fell.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can stop recording now.
Oh yeah, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Harder.
No,
Yeah.
seriously, I think I broke my toe.